all the bottles and stuff together. And I'm gonna make some 4 ounces, 1 ounces, and 8 ounces. Cause yeah, like I said, we ain't got none. We have like 4. This is all we have in cocoa butter cashmere right now. We gotta fix that. We're gonna get bottles together. I think 20 will be good. Maybe 15. So we're gonna load this up. Any accidents happening? I was watching the scale right here. So now I'm gonna get it into our dispenser, which I keep locked because I'm testing 1, 2, 1, 2, testing. All right, so we're gonna make our best-selling oil. I am all out of cocoa butter cashmere, which is our top-selling scent in our body oil. So I'm kind of out of rice bran. I just poured out what I had. So I did the math just now to see what everything else is going to be, and we're going to knock it out because I got to make that oil before y'all come for me. So rice bran is already in there. We're going to add the avocado oil now. I am watching the scale over to my right. I already had some in the bucket, thank God. So this will just be extra. All right. Now let's go with grapeseed. Now for our Hudson Valley cold pressed sunflower oil. It's made right here in the Hudson Valley. This is in almost every single product we make here at Dakota Naturals. So all of our products include locally sourced sunflower oil made right here in the Hudson Valley. Like I said, I'm not making a big batch today. Normally I'm making like 3 gallons worth, but I'm out of rice bran. I used what I already had. I measured that out first and then recalculated everything else, which is right here on my phone. So no mistakes. All right. All the bottles have been filled. So this is basically how I get everything done. I do them scent by scent. I make a big master batch of the oil and then I scent each. So they have their fragrances by weight. So 8 ounces, 4 ounces, 1 ounce. They all have their... All right, so I'm gonna load... Oh yeah, this joint's empty, y'all. I didn't make a lot like I said before. It was probably about a gallon because we have an event tomorrow and I cannot show up without cocoa butter cashmere. Imagine going to an event and not have your bestseller. You'll feel pretty uncomfortable. All right, so I'm gonna put all these back, and then when I come back, we'll start making recommended amount by weight. So then now, this is the easy part. You get your bottle and you fill them up. Before, I used to do this by hand, and I was so glad when I got this machine because it was life changing. Because I used to pour the oil everywhere, and when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. I used to make a mess. I think I overfilled that first one because I forgot the pumps gotta go in. But I'll just empty it out. I'll suck some out in a little bit. Gotta leave room for the pump. I'm hoping I made enough oil to fill all of these bottles. If not, I'll just pour them. I'll have to turn some of those 8 ounces into 4 ounces, which is just fine. But yeah, cocoa butter cashmere is our bestseller. I think we sold probably over 300 and something bottles this year, which is huge for us being in business 5 years now. That's big for me. I know to some people it's nothing, but that's a lot. Shows how much the product is loved. Another thing that's changed in the last 5 years is now that we have our own little warehouse space, which is huge. I actually feel like I'm going to work now. Before, having it where I lived was just like, okay, I'm working 24/7 because it's like right there in my face. But now this actually feels like a real job, which it always was, but you know what I mean. I get to separate home and business for the first time in 5 years. I'll do the little 1 ounce. The little 1 ounces. I might be able to make some more 4 ounces, but let's see. I think this is a good start for the event tomorrow. Worst case, I can always just take orders, or they might like one of the other 30 odd scents that we carry, because we have a lot. I like to say that we have a scent for every mood, which we definitely do. All right. Last one. Look how fast that was. Imagine me sitting here pouring this by hand before from one of these, sitting here, hand shaking, oil dripping down the container. Yo, thank you, whoever invented this machine. I love you. All right, so 1 ounces, 4 ounces, 8 ounces. I gotta get the tops for the rest of them, but let's knock out these 8 ounces. Let's see if I got space. Oh yeah, I definitely got space in this one. So the one that I overfilled, we'll put that in there, move that up. And then we're gonna shake them all up once they're closed. I might need to still take some more out of that. Yeah, I may have to pour some in here. But you gotta be careful to not overfill them because they will leak, especially if they're being shipped or something, they will leak everywhere. And that's the 8 ounces. The tops, the pumps for the 1 ounces and the 4 ounces, they don't add as much weight to the oil as these do. So then you shake, shake, shake. Because like I said, we don't pre-mix because I have too many cents for that. 30 something cents is a lot to sit here and make ahead of time. So we make them each bottle by weight. So no, they will not, one won't be stronger than the other. So a lot of consistency. Clean the bottles later because there's definitely fragrance on my hand. Let's do the 1 ounces. Then I have to find the tops for the 4 ounces. See, when you put this in there, it doesn't, the weight of this one, it doesn't affect the oil. All right, so we just moved into the warehouse. So I'm trying to figure out where the hell I put the tops for the 4 ounces. So I'm looking around. Actually, no, I remember where they are now. I remember that when you move, your moving is not for the weak, especially when you move in a rush. We moved everything like the space of a couple of days. So I'm proud of us for, but there's still a lot left to do. All right, so I'm gonna get the tops real quick. Are you guys serious right now? Why? What are y'all doing? See, I thought I talked about separating home, but home is on the camera watching me. Yeah, good singing, guys. Good singing. Yes, Theo, I hear you. I made four 8 ounces. 4 8 ounces. Y'all allowed. 12. I did 8, and then we already had 4. I did 8. We already had 4. Yeah. So 12, 12, and 4. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and make labels because we don't have the printer here. It's solid, so I am about to print the shipping label for Carl's order. I also have a pickup, but that one's quick. Let's create the shipping label. You're gonna have to blur that out if it is. Is for an 8-ounce pineapple papaya for Ayana. Oh, so 8-ounce pineapple papaya for Ayana. She's doing a pickup, so it's just going in one of our bags. The thank you card. And these are my orders for today.